completed. When you double click on the downloaded file, this will prompt. Just check I have read and accepted the terms of the license and click on install. Say yes and give some time for the system to do the installing process. Here we can see the progress. It will just take few minutes. So the download has been completed and we go. So activate if you have any tablet key, product key, you can activate it. If you want to start the trial version later or maybe after a few days, you just want to install it and keep it ready for your school. Or if you want to right away start, just click on start trial version now. It's loading. First name and all that, I'll just give the information and I'll be right back. Okay. Once you give all the information and click on register, it says registration completed. Click on continue. And this is the overview of Tableau, how it looks like. Just to be gist, I'll take you around. On the left, let's connect to one basic file, basic Excel file. Okay, click on Excel. Go to location where you can find your doc. Okay, and we will be using sample superstore data for our today's session as well as further sessions because it has all kind of data to do different kinds of analysis, to use different kinds of graphs and all that. And actually this is a sample data that is provided by Tableau. Click on open. This is how it looks like. And we will be learning about how to get data from the tables, how to get the data into the Tableau, and how to do analysis and all that in the further sessions. Hope you like this session. If you have any questions, any doubts, anything, please feel free to email us or give a comment below. Please do like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you.